Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I hit 75 subscribers and it's just really cool. So I thought 75, I could do 7 tips and I can try to do it in 5 minutes. And that was as creative as I got on a really long week, culminating in today being Friday and this wonderful thing happening. So let's do it together. Tip number 1 is get it out of the box. You bought it, love it, open it, do the starter project that comes with it. Whatever machine you have purchased, you took it out of the box, you did the starter kit. Now what do you want to do? Whatever it is, decide what you want to do. Do you want to make a shirt? Do you want to make cards? Do you want to make fancy signs? People are making cups. Are there too many options? You can narrow it down. It's up to you. One thing at a time. Don't overbuy, or you'll end up with something for a project for things that you don't like. I have lots of extra permanent vinyl, and I don't actually really use a lot of permanent vinyl. I use a lot of iron-on and a lot of infusible ink. Be patient. Give yourself room to fail. We're going to mess up. The software is going to mess up. The computer is going to mess up. The machines are going to mess up. The materials, everything might go great and then they mess up. Be patient. It's the hardest part. You're going to get this. Keep going. When you fail, try again. When you succeed, do it even more. Find your people. Go to YouTube and watch everything you can. Who do you resonate with that you feel can be your teacher? Who would you want to be your crafting compadre? Your voice matters. Interact, comment, follow them on Instagram. Get on with their groups in Facebook. Let them know what they do matters. What you do matters. When you tell somebody, it can change their whole day. Trust in the fact that it is okay to have fun. Play with it. These are our toys. Do you know a gamer? It's the cost of that Cricut is like the cost of a video game machine. And some materials are like the cost of some accessories and games, and All of our blanks and everything are just the add-ons, the skins, the attributes, the pluses. You earned this. You deserve this. Have fun with all of it. This is DIY. Do it yourself. This is all about what you want it to be. Find your niche or don't. It does not matter. You can make one thing 100 times. You can make 100 things one time. You can exponentially multiply everything I just said. It's yours. Thank you.